Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of April 2025 for all the Virgo Ascendant people. So first of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Virgo Ascendant people, Sun controls your 12th house. 12th house deal with your expenses, your expenditures, your daily expenditures seen from 12th house, your long-term investments, your losses is also represented by 12th house. Jail, asylum, hospitalization, imagination, your sleep pattern, dreams, your privacy, your bedroom activities also represented by somehow 12th house. So right now your 12th house lord is starting from your 7th house in the sign of Pisces, where many planets are right now present, as we discussed in our previously last one prediction video. Uh, Sun will stay into your 7th house till 14th April 2025. After 14th April, Sun will move from your 7th house to 8th house in the sign of Aries, where Sun will be in its exalted position because Sun considered as exalted in the sign of Aries. Sun will give very good results in the sign of Aries. So, your 12th house lord is right now starting from your 7th house till 14th April. 7th house deal with your marriage, your relationship, and journal. Other people are seen from 7th house, how you will meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others, your business partnership, your commitments, your legal bindings, your agreemented things. All of these things are represented by your 7th house. So 12th house lord is right now starting from the 12th house, and there are many planets are right now present. Mercury is right now in its debilitation sign in the sign of Pisces, and also moving its retrograde motion till 8th April. That's why you may face some disturbance if you are married right now or you are in partnership business with someone. You may face some argumentative communication or some type of verbal loss during this time period or distance from your relationship. Means loss of relationship indicated till 14th April, till especially till 8th April, till Mercury is moving in retrograde motion. Also in its debilitation sign. You need to avoid conflict if you want to be in that relationship because you may face some type of ego battle, some type of communication related difficulty, especially till 14th April. So you need to avoid if you are in some relationship or you are doing some partnership business or you are doing some collective things with other people. After 14th April, when Sun will move from your 7th house to 8th house, then your 8th house will be in a exalted position, in a strong position. 8th house considered as a naturally malefic house in astrology. But 12th house lord, one naturally malefic house lord will be transiting from another naturally malefic house. 8, 6, and 12th house considered as a naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, issues, and difficulties are always associated. But whenever naturally malefic house lord starting another naturally malefic house, it cancels the negative effect of naturally malefic houses because negative always cancels each other out. So it will create a positive situation for you people regarding your travel related matter. If you want to travel from your homeland to some different country, because 12th house represents foreign settlement. If you are doing some long-term investment, you will have the opportunities to expand your investment after 14th April. Or if you are in some spirituality or hidden studies like astrology, tarot card, etc., are you are interested into these things, then you will have the good access and good knowledge regarding all of these things regarding during this time period. Mercury controls your first house and 10th house. Mercury is very important planet for you people because Mercury is your ascendant lord. So your ascendant lord, as discussed previously in sun section, right now moving in its retrograde motion, in its debilitation sign till 8th April. So you may face some disturbance there because Ketu is already starting from your first house till May 2025. So you may face a disturbance already due to presence of Ketu in your first house, but still your first house lord will be moving in debilitation state. You need to take care of your argument, communication, relationship related matter as well, or also your health related matter because your ascendant lord will be in difficult position into your seventh house and sixth house lord. Saturn is just moved from your sixth house to your seventh house. You may face your health issues during this time. You need to take regular checkup with your doctor, with your physician during this time period. After 8th of April, when Mercury will come out from its retrograde motion, then we can expect some relief regarding your relationship related matter, regarding your communication related matter. Venus controls your ninth house and your second house, and right now Venus is as well transiting from your seventh house in the sign of Pisces. But here is the thing: Venus is right now present in its exalted position, in its good position. So Venus will compensate all the negative effect you will getting from Sun and Mercury, but still you need to be very careful regarding all of this matter which we have just talked. Venus controls your ninth house. If you are in education life, if you are about to travel some different places during this time period, then we can expect great opportunities for you people. Your superior, your elders, your guider, advisor, all of these people will be, all of these pattern, all of these people you will get great result. You will get good result in the month of April. Second house will be the savings, money matter, bank account, your speech, your food intake habits, your early upbringing. So second house Lord is also right now starting from your first house. You will have the good income, good opportunity to save money. Just you need to take care of your relationship related matter and your communication related matter. Moon controls your 11th house, and right now Moon is starting from your 8th house in the sign of Aries. The positions of planets you're watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 1st April 2025 because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon for every house in a single video, then video will get too lengthy. So it will be very difficult for us to describe result of Moon for in a monthly prediction video for every assessment. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your birth chart. So first of all, whenever Moon is starting from 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some type of issues, problem and difficulty. You may have some type of issues, problem and difficulties in your life because these houses considered as a naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses. Secondly, whenever Moon is transiting near any naturally malefic planet from any house in your birth chart, during these days also we can expect we may have issues, problem, and difficulties in our life. And naturally, malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. So that's the easiest way to judge Moon transit. Mars controls your eighth house and your third house, and right now Mars is also transiting from your 10th house in the sign of Gemini. Mars was present to 10th house for a long time previously because Mars was also moving its retrograde motion previously. But right now, Mars is moving its direct motion and about to move from your 10th house to your 11th house around 3rd April 2025. But your 11th house carries the sign of Cancer. Mars considered as the debilitated in the sign of Cancer. So you will need to very careful when you're doing some get together because third house is the house of communication, 11th house is the house of get together. Both the houses connected to communication, get together, friend circle. So there are chances you may involve into get together a lot, and there will be some disturbing result, disturbing event with your friend circle. So you need to avoid conflict. You need to be very careful when you're dealing with your friend circle, superior, like your elders, your supportive people. Mars also controls your eighth house. So eighth house not being present in stabilization side. Eighth house is a naturally malefic house, as we discussed previously in Sun section. But some friend circle may try to damage your reputation, may try to deceive you in some way. So you need to be very careful till Mars will be transiting from your 11th house, from your friend circle, from your close one. You may face some betrayal or some deceit result during this time period. So you need to be very careful regarding Mars related matters, especially till Venus come out from its retrograde motion on 15th April because Venus is right now in its retrograde motion. Whenever any planet turn into its retrograde motion, its effect will be double. Either it was previously giving good result or bad result. So Venus is right now giving you good result. But after 15th of April, when Venus will come out from its retrograde motion, then you will have some stable result from Mercury and Sun and Mars as well. So we can expect these results for all the Virgos and people. Our today's video monthly prediction of April 2025 for all the Virgo Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz.